Alright guys, so this is part 2 of the video. My phone went dead on me and I didn't even know. So I was there, I already got it mounted and all of that. And it's basically ready to be shot in. By shot in, I mean ready to make sure the scope, when you aim at your target, you hit it. And you hit where you want to hit. So we'll be doing that in the next video. So make sure you subscribe to see that, how to adjust the scope and all of that. We're going to be doing that in the next video. In the meantime, what you will need, if you have one of these and you're planning to go do that, what you will need is ammo. So we are using the .77 Premier Destroyer, and we're also using the Premier Piranha. So we got 2 different ammo. I'm gonna just go ahead and open these so you can see what they look like. The Piranha I've never used before. It's gonna be new to me if I can open it. So this is a problem I've always had with these cans. I don't know, maybe Craftsman needs to check that out. But yep, hope you can see it good. I'm gonna bring it closer so you can see it. Give you a detailed look. This is what they look like. So this is the Destroyer pellets. Focus camera, come on, focus. I don't know why it's not focusing, but there we go. So these are the Destroyer pellets, and these are what we'll be shooting along with the Piranha. If I can get it open, I can show it to you, but this is what the Piranha looks like, just like that. That's what it looks like. And we also have some targets. Yep. So tomorrow, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Make sure you turn on the post notifications so you can get the new video as it's dropped. We're going to be shooting in the scope tomorrow. We got all the equipment ready. We got the scope locked on target. Locked and loaded. Ready to go. And it's looking good. It's looking real good. So yeah, guys. Here we have it. The Craftsman. I think this one is the... which one? What they call this one? F4. Yeah. So this is the F4 177 caliber, and it's 1,200 feet per second. So 1,200 feet per second, I know that's going fast. Let's see if the squirrels have a chance. We might do a little dove hunting too, but squirrel is the main target right now. And I'm still trying to open this damn can. Maybe on the next video, I'll get it open. So, until then, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this F4 airsoft rifle. And I hope you are here to see when we shoot it. Until then, stay safe. See you next time.